Life is a series of moments, each one driven by purpose, ambition, and the pursuit of personal excellence. Your vehicle is more than just a means to an end. It's a space where your journey unfolds, where every mile is a testament to your unique aspirations, designed for those who aim higher, where comfort, style, and precision come together to elevate your experience. As step into a world where every detail is crafted with you in mind. We are truFIT, India's premier manufacturer of bespoke automotive accessories. With over a decade of specialized experience in delivering exceptional car seat covers, premium foot mats, and exclusive accessories. With an extensive range of customization options, truFIT allows you to personalize your vehicle's interior with unique colors, textures, patterns, and materials, reflecting your individual style. truFIT was founded in 1998 by Tahir Siddiqui, who began humbly with just a few machines in Mumbai to supply locally. Today we have grown to supply across India and export to more than 40 countries, including the Middle East, the American continent, the UK, and several other global markets. With facilities in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Hyderabad, and plans to expand to over 20 cities nationwide.
Our mission is to provide high-quality car seat covers, custom interiors, and auto accessories all over India with a perfect OEM fit. We aim to turn your vehicle interior into a space of unmatched luxury and style.
Our advanced production facilities leverage cutting-edge technology to ensure superior craftsmanship and precision. Utilizing the latest Japanese machinery, our infrastructure is engineered for optimal efficiency and accuracy, enhancing product quality. Our journey begins by sourcing the finest art leather and genuine leather from trusted suppliers around the globe. These materials are carefully inspected and stored in our state-of-the-art facilities, ensuring optimal preservation and readiness for production. The next step is the creation of accurate patterns. Patterns and specifications for various vehicle models are created using specialized machines and the latest technology. Following this, foam pasting takes center stage. We offer high-density foam, ensuring enhanced comfort and durability. Each layer is meticulously bonded to achieve the perfect balance of support and softness, contributing to a superior seating experience for every vehicle owner. Next, we bring artistry into the process through embroidery. Using advanced Japanese technology machines, intricate designs and patterns are stitched with precision. These computer-controlled machines ensure consistency, accuracy, and a touch of elegance. The process continues with the punching stage, where intricate patterns are meticulously crafted. High-precision punching machines create designs that not only enhance aesthetics, but also improve breathability and functionality. Using state-of-the-art CAD machines, the cutting process is carried out with unparalleled exactitude. These machines ensure each piece is perfectly shaped according to the design specifications, minimizing material waste and guaranteeing a flawless fit for every vehicle model. The stitching process is where craftsmanship meets precision. Our team of highly skilled artisans brings each piece to life with impeccable accuracy and attention to detail. Designed with versatility, truFIT seat covers incorporate India's first ever unique stitching technology, ensuring no cuts while maintaining 100% airbag compatibility. This pioneering design guarantees airbag deployment in an emergency, while preserving the aesthetic appeal of your vehicle's interior. Unlike conventional covers, truFIT stitching with high-quality threads ensures that the seat covers maintain a smooth, continuous surface without compromising on safety. Once the seat covers are meticulously crafted and inspected, they are carefully packaged to maintain their quality and integrity. Our packaging process ensures that each product is securely wrapped and protected, ready for safe delivery. truFIT is synonymous with unmatched quality. We are ISO 9001, 2015 certified, reflecting our commitment to meeting and surpassing stringent international standards. Our greatest asset is our exceptional team of over 200 skilled professionals, including tailors, cutting operators, and pattern makers who form the backbone of our success. By uniting designers, fabric experts, and product developers, we set new benchmarks in performance and design, aligning with the latest global trends to remain at the forefront of industry excellence. We offer competitive pricing, timely delivery, and outstanding customer support, reflecting our dedication to providing exceptional value without compromising on quality. truFIT's refined aesthetics and innovative designs set a new standard in comfort and practicality. Upgrade your vehicle's interior today and experience the unparalleled luxury and craftsmanship that truFIT delivers.
We are truFIT.